afternoon, everyone. This is MotherBee again. Today I'll be teaching you or showing you another yummy recipe for Christmas. But this is something special kasi it's nutty and chocolatey. So I call it chocolate nutty Florentines. So it's a lace biscuit. It's crispy and melts in your mouth. Okay? So for the ingredients, we'll be using syempre yung Selbourne dark compound chocolate. So I'll start with butter. So yung butter ko salted, bali 150 grams. And then I have here white sugar, 280 grams. And then glucose 50 grams or corn syrup, or you could use honey. And then I have heavy cream here, 30 grams. And then I have chopped almonds with skin on. That is 150 grams. Actually, hinati ko lang po yung recipe. But this is actually 75, but my recipe, pagka full, is 150 grams yung almonds. Then the cashew is 150 grams as well. And then I have pecan nuts, 100 grams. So, tatlo po yung klase. We have 3 types of nuts here. If you think you want to go with almonds, just add everything up and then total weight will be almonds. If you just wanted to use one nut. But you could definitely have your 2 nuts or 1 nut or 3 nuts. And then, cocoa powder, 15 grams. All-purpose flour, 34 grams. Cornstarch, 20 grams. And then fine salt, ilalagay ko na lang mamaya, 3 grams or just a pinch. Then vanilla, which is ito gagamitin ko. Natural vanilla essence ang meron ako. 5 grams. And then, we'll be using Selbourne's dark chocolate, which is this one, 40 grams. Okay, ito yun. Chinap ko na kasi coins siya, pero dark chocolate. So, ito yung itsura niya in how many grams? This is 1 kg. You could purchase this in all baking stores. So to start with, we have to mix all of the nuts together. Okay? Sama-sama lang sila. And then we'll set it aside. I-mix lang na ganyan. Then, set it aside. So, punta po tayo dun sa sa kaserola. So, put the butter here. sugar. And then the glucose. Then I'll put the cream and a little bit of salt. Then I'll turn it on sa medium fire or medium heat. Electric pala kami. So just let it melt slowly. Then for the meantime, habang nagme-melt yun, I have to mix together the cocoa powder, the cornstarch, and then the all-purpose flour. So, i-mix ko lang po siya together. Mas maganda po kung if you will sift this. It so happened my sifter is still wet in the dishwasher. So, I'll just use it as it is. Once na it's homogenous in appearance, wala nang masyadong puti-puti, then we'll make it ready. So, nagme-melt na po dito yung yung butter and sugar are melting together. So, medium heat lang po. It's much better if you will let the butter stay at room temperature for few minutes so that it will get melted quite quickly. Or if you could melt it ahead of time so that when you put it in with sugar, together with the sugar, it's quicker to melt or to go together. So just let it mix it, let it somehow melt. So I'm in medium heat at the moment. So let it boil. Once it boils, remove it from the heat, and then we'll add the flour and the cocoa powder, then the Selbourne dark compound chocolate. When you're cooking this, please don't leave the mixture on the stove unattended. So you have to keep an eye on it. So as you can see, it looks more liquidy. So the sugar has been dissolved. Partially. And then starting to bubble. So when it bubbles like that, I have to somehow remove it from the heat and then add the dry ingredients. Then I will add the chocolate now. So do not over mix. Ito na po siya. Then we'll pour it in the nut mixture. We have to be quick before it cools down. So just mix it. I think I forgot the vanilla. So, hindi pa ko yan lahat. So, yan. So, yan, it's like a dough now. So, earlier I have this prepared. So, when it's cold talaga, matigas siya. So, habang mainit pa siya, you have to mold it. Tapos, ipipress mo siya sa ayun lang to You have to press it in a ring like this. Then, kukuha ka ng, you'll get a portion, like probably 1 tablespoon or depende po sa ring ninyo. Then, you press it. So, i-flatten nyo using the back of a teaspoon. Tapos, kailangan ang pagitan niya medyo malalayo. Kung maglalagay ka ulit, dapat hindi ganyang kalapit. Dapat medyo malayo sa isa't isa. Kasi, mag-i-spread out pa po yan. So, kung ito ganyan kalapad, yung finished product po, ito po yung finished product. So, titingnan nyo, ang laki ng difference niya. So, ito po yung finished product. Ito yung hindi pa luto. So, you will bake this for 10 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. So, after po nun, magiging crispy siya. Ito yon. Then, nag-melt ako ng Selbourne dark chocolate and I spread it at the back and then I drizzled on the top. So, when you break it, it snaps. So, it should be crunchy biscuit. So, dapat po crunchy siya pag kinain. Yan. So, ulitin ko po yung recipe. Butter 150 grams. White sugar 280 grams. Nag-enjoy na ako kasi masarap. Glucose 50 grams. Heavy cream 30 grams. Almonds 150 grams. Cashew 150 grams. Pecan 100 grams. Cocoa powder 15 grams. All-purpose flour 34 grams, cornstarch 20 grams, fine salt 3 grams, and vanilla 5 grams. And then yung pang-coat po, tatansyahin nyo na lang. Kanina, minelt ko po itong Selbourne dark chocolate compound. Dark po to you could, if you don't like so bitter, meron din po silang milk compound chocolate. So, kung depende po kung bata po kakain, di milk chocolate po yung gamitin niyo. So, the nuts and the chocolate, sobrang sarap po. It's crunchy and you could do this quite quickly and sell this Christmas. So, there you go. This video recipe is brought to you by Selbourne Chocolates. So, until next time po, if you have questions, just comment on this video below and later on, I'll try to answer it. So, again, this is MotherBee saying, have a great day and a chocolate day. Bye!